Before lowering the legs of a Caravan fitted with an E&P leveling system, ensure the area is clear of any cables or obstacles that could obstruct the process. Additionally, make sure the Caravan isn't using any other power, such as lighting. A leisure battery must be fitted in order to use the E&P leveling system. If the battery is in a low state of charge, a mains hookup may be required in addition. When arriving on your pitch, turn the system on by turning the red key in the battery box locker. Release the handheld device from its cradle and press the button on the back of the handset. To activate, select Automatic on the home screen. Then select the Auto button showing the down arrow. The leveling process will begin. If the unit says Nose Too High, lower the front jockey wheel until a yellow triangle appears on the display. The yellow icons on the handheld device identify the active steady or support. Leveling can take a few minutes and is complete once a green circle appears in the middle of the Caravan diagram and all steadies and support icons are showing red. You can now place the device back into its cradle. It is absolutely essential that you do not place the device back into the cradle until after the leveling is complete. Placing the device too early into its cradle will stop the leveling process, and you will need to restart the process. If this system fails halfway through, you will need to raise the steadies again and restart the lowering process. To raise the steadies, select the Automatic button on the home screen and press the up arrow icon. The steadies are fully raised when the steady icons are grey, and the only yellow icon is on the arrow pointing towards the nose of the Caravan. Do not return the device to its cradle until the steadies are fully retracted. Placing the device in the cradle before the retracting process is complete will automatically stop the process. Towing with the steadies not completely stowed will cause significant damage to your Caravan. If needed, a manual retract button can be found on the power supply unit. This runs off the leisure battery and will retract the steadies, but it will not lower the steadies.